Good morning, students. How are you all? Now, our today's topic is from chapter Chemical Effect of Electric Current is electrolyte. Now, what is electrolyte? A substance that is capable of conducting electricity in liquid form, a electrolyte. Okay, we can make distilled water is an electrolyte by adding lemon juice, or you can say distilled dilute hydrochloric acid in the distilled water, or we can add caustic soda, or you can say potassium iodide in the distilled water. We can also add sodium chloride, or you can say common salt in distilled water to make it an electrolyte. In the activity 3, page number 158, this is a setup of an activity. Here we have 12-volt battery, LED, key and electrolyte. The electrolyte is salt water. Here we have two electrode, positive and negative. The positive is anode and negative is cathode. These are carbon rods. Now, the above activity shows that electric current flows through a liquid can produce a chemical reaction in the electrolyte. The bubbles formed in above activity are of oxygen and hydrogen. Oxygen bubbles are formed at anode and hydrogen bubbles are formed at cathode, because when the water dissociate it will form H positive and OH negative ion. The positive ion will move to cathode and negative ion will move to anode. Now, what is electrolysis? Chemical reaction takes place at the two electrodes in the solution when electric current passes through a electrolyte. This process is known as electrolysis. Now, chemical effect produced by electrolysis. Now, what are the chemical effect produced by the process electrolysis? Emission of gas from salt solution in the previous activity, production of heat, change in color of the solution, deposition of copper metal on electrode from copper sulfate. Here copper sulfate is the electrolyte. It will break down by passing electricity and copper metal deposit on the other electrode. Also the separation of potassium and iodine in potassium iodide solution. Here electrolysis is potassium iodide solution. Also separation of sodium and chlorine in sodium chloride solution. Same in the previous activity. There we have salt solution. So sodium and chlorine separate. Now, industrial application of electrolysis: production of hydrogen gas, extraction of metal. For example, aluminium is extracted from its ore, bauxite. Refining of metals such as copper and zinc. Electroplating of metals. Electroplating is the most important application of chemical effect of electric current. Now, what is electroplating? Electroplating is the process of coating a metal by another metallic material in an electrochemical bath, like in activity 3, by using the process of electrolysis. Electroplating makes the surface of various objects clean, smooth and shiny. Now, the examples of electroplating: the shiny chromium coated material plates or strips fixed on the computer cabinet, that is also formed by electroplating. Steel, chromium or silver plated utensils, gold plated jewelry is the very important or common example. There we electroplated gold on another material. Shiny brass coated latches or taps, shiny metal coated wheel rims. Also, the gold, silver coated coins, tin coated cold drinks. These all are the examples of electroplating. Now, this is the process of electroplating. Here we want to deposit the copper on a brass key so that the brass key will look like a copper. So, for this we have a electrolyte, copper sulfate solution, battery of 9 volt and two electrodes. At the anode we have copper plate, at the cathode we have brass key. Now what we have to do, let's take a beaker, okay, add of 20 gram of copper sulfate and few drops of sulfuric acid is H2SO4 in the water to make copper sulfate conducting. We can see the positive terminal of battery is connected to the copper plate. Brass key is connected to the negative terminal of battery. When a current flows in the circuit for an half an hour, the color of the brass key starts changing and it acquires copper color. Okay, this brass key will acquire the copper color or copper metal. The current separates the constituents of solution. What is the solution? Solution is copper sulfate solution. Whenever a current passes through it, it will separate it. Okay, the current separates the constituents of the solution and dissociate copper and sulfate. The negative terminal of battery attracts the copper towards itself and the copper deposit on the brass key connected to the negative terminal. This is how the brass key gets a copper coating on it. This is the important process of electroplating. The complete process of coating a metal copper on another material brass by electrolysis process is called electroplating. Now in the figure 13.9, use of electroplating technique for gold and silver polishing. So at the higher level or commercial level electroplating unit, the metal piece is immersed in an temperature controlled electrochemical bathtub. The object to be coated or polished is connected to the negative terminal of battery. This is the most important point in case of electroplating. The material that to be polished is always connected to the negative terminal of battery. Now use of electroplating, it is used to avoid corrosion of, this is also very important property of electroplating. It is used to avoid corrosion of iron and steel objects. We all know that iron and steel are mostly corroded by air and moisture. So the thin layer of zinc, cadmium, copper, chromium, nickel are deposited on iron steel objects to prevent them from corrosion. Now the disposal of used electrochemical solution. The chemical remains in that beaker is an environment problem. So if such solution are drained in sea, they contaminate water. It drained in a landfill, then it will cause toxic problems. So thus before disposing, environmental pollution prevention guidelines must be strictly followed. So this is the end of chapter chemical effect of electric current. Thank you.